Oh, why, thank you, kind sir. I wonder what we have here. What could it be? Hey, my name is Lucas, and I'm here with Summit Flora. So let's see what we have today. Ooh, look at this. I wonder what this is called. Alright, so let's organize this, shall we? Here's what we have. Eucalyptus, and we have some string or rope, golden string, and last but not least, a branch or a stick. You're gonna need a pair of scissors and a pair of shears. So here's the first step, is that you are going to grab your string. You're gonna go like this. Leave a tail, very important. Always leave a tail for when you want to wrap around an object or anything else that you want to do. So then you're gonna twist once, and then twice. You're gonna go back up, and then you're gonna do a nice knot, just like that. This is called an overhand knot. So, repeat this step on the other side until it hangs nicely. I mean, look at this. This is a triangle. Isn't it nice? Did you know that eucalyptus can help manage wastewater? I mean, that's the first time I hear it, but you know. So here we have our 7 eucalyptus stems. So now, as you can see here, that I have cut the gold string into 7 equal pieces. Isn't it nice? The next step is I have to grab this piece of golden string, and you're gonna place it. But first, please do the shape of a hoop first, and then place it on the stem of your eucalyptus. Grab your string, and you're gonna wrap around it as quickly as you can and as tight as you can. Just like that. Make it real tight, you know? So that way it fits perfectly. Okay, so here's the next step. You're gonna grab your piece of golden string, and then you're going to wrap around the stick nice and tight. Then you're gonna do a nice twist around your stem, just like that. And a little twist to shake it up. There we go. So repeat this step for all 7 stems, and then you're gonna hold it up just like this, and look at that. Isn't it really nice, this magnificent piece of art? Nice. Wow, look at that. Aren't these beautiful? I mean, I really can't believe I made these myself. And speaking of that, if you want to make one of your own, visit summit-google.com, and I'll see y'all next time, my favorite bros and brodettes.